Are you looking for the best Samsung phone? In this video, I will show you the best Samsung phone in the market, so let's get start the video. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A54 and A55. Samsung really tricked out this year's A5X model and arguably got it closer to the Galaxy S line than ever. The most notable upgrade this year has to be the overall build quality. The A55 includes an aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and another Gorilla Glass sheet on the back. The new Exynos 1480 chipset also offers a nice little uptick in both performance and efficiency compared to last year's model. The Galaxy A55 has also grown notably compared to the A54 and now rocks a bigger 6.6-inch display inside a proportionally larger body. That being said, last year's Galaxy A54 has depreciated nicely and, at its attractive price point, still offers much of the same experience as the Galaxy A55. Sure, the build isn't quite as premium, but you still get IP67 ingress protection and 2 sheets of Gorilla Glass. All the other potentially alluring additional features are shared between the two devices as well, like the stereo speaker setup and micro SD card slot for storage expansion. And the two phones have very similar camera setups. As we mentioned, the Galaxy A55 is the slightly bigger device out of the two. Samsung decided to stretch the display diagonal from 6.4 inches to 6.6 inches, and the device body grew alongside that as well. Even so, the Galaxy A55 remains pretty pocketable and fairly easy to handle, paru. Samsung's Galaxy A54 5G smartphone takes on a more wallet-friendly form factor that comes centered around a 6.4-inch 120Hz display. It departs from the usual reliance on Snapdragon Silicon with the deployment of the Exynos 1380 chip that's backed by 128GB of onboard storage and 8GB of RAM. Though if you do need some extra room, there's support for up to 1TB of expansions via micro SD card slot, which rounds out the package alongside a 5000 mAh battery and 50 megapixels triple camera assembly. Elsewhere in the Android smartphone stable, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is dropping down to its best price yet. The savings drop the 512GB capacity model down to $900 from its usual $1,120 price tag. This gets you a far more capable smartphone, complete with not only the latest specs but also a folding design that channels some incredibly iconic mid-2000s vibes. Enjoy binge watching on a clear, 6.4 inches screen that provides a smooth entertainment experience. Scroll through social feeds and watch action-packed movies, catching all the details you need on your Galaxy A54 5G. Brilliant sunrises, awesome selfies, capture incredible content with Galaxy A54 5G, snap clear images with single-take and OIS, and even take shots in low light with Nitography. Always be ready for an impromptu photo op or newly released video with a powerful battery that has your back. With a long-lasting, super-fast charging 5000 mAh battery, Galaxy A54 5G keeps you. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A14. A14 5G received the Android 14-based One UI 6 update in India last November and the US a few days ago. Now, the update's rollout for the Galaxy A14 5G has expanded to Europe. The One UI 6 update for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has firmware version A146pxu5CWL7 and requires a download of about 1.7 GB. It likely comes with the December 2023 Android security patch instead of January 2024. Moreover, not all features Samsung mentioned in the changelog are available. One UI 6 update on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, you can check for it manually by navigating to the phone's settings greater than software update menu VA. Samsung had been teasing the launch of the upcoming Galaxy A series smartphones in India on its website for a few days now, and the company is set to launch the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G and Samsung Galaxy A23 5G smartphones in India on January 18. Recently, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G specifications were revealed via a leaked poster in India. However, 120Hz display, AI-powered battery, triple rear camera setup, and OIS features are a few of the specifications mentioned by Samsung in the teaser available on the company's webpage. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G India price was also exclusively revealed by us yesterday. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G received the Android 14-based One UI 6 update in India last November and the US a few days ago. Now, the updates rollout for the Galaxy A14 5G has expanded to Europe. The One UI 6 update for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G has firmware version A146pxu5CWL7 and requires a download of about 1.7 gigabytes. It likely comes with the December 2023 Android security patch instead of January 2024. Moreover, not all features Samsung mentioned in the changelog are available. Auto blocker is one of the features not included. That said, if you live in Europe and are yet to receive the One UI 6 update on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, you can check for it manually by navigating to the phone's settings greater than software update menu. So that was our today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you with a brand new video.